Apples red and juicy sweet. Bananas are my favorite treat. Oranges round with citrus cheer. Fruits are tasty all year. Fruits are fun, come sing along. Healthy, yummy, make you strong. Colors bright and flavors new. Pick a fruit that's right for you. Grapes so purple, small and round. Strawberries grow from the ground. Mango, pineapple, peaches too. Also sweet and good for you. Fruits are fun, come sing along. Healthy, yummy, make you strong. Colors bright and flavors new. Pick a fruit that's right for you. Watermelon in the sun. Berries picked one by one. Lemons tart and kiwis green. Fruits are part of eating clean. Fruits are fun, now you know. Eat them fast or eat them slow. Make a smoothie, grab a bite. Fruits are always just right. So next time you want a snack, grab a fruit, don't look back. Crunch or sip, it's up to you. Fruits are fun and healthy too.